In this next part of the exercise, we're going to log in using our own account and then look at other queries we can perform. So the first thing I'm going to do is come to sign in to Graph Explorer. Now, if you have a Microsoft account, you can log in, but if that account doesn't have access to Microsoft 365, you'll need to create an account that does. Now, you can do that for free, actually. You can go up to Developer Program and Join Now, and then they'll walk you through how to get started creating your own developer account that you can use to do the things I'm going to show here. Now, I've already done that, so I'm going to click on Sign into Graph Explorer, and I'm going to log in with a developer account that I've created. So I'm going to go ahead and put that account in, and then we'll put the account password. And now I have two-factor authentication enabled, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my code. Okay, so now you can see I'm logged in with my test developer account, and now we can run things like my profile, and this is going to get information about me, and I went into one of the users and just renamed it to myself in this case. Now for this part of the exercise though, what we're going to do is click down here on some items trending around me. So you'll notice we have my profile we saw earlier and my photo and my email, but if we click on items trending around me, you'll notice I get an unauthorized here. Now, the reason we're getting that is because we don't have permissions to run this type of query. So what I'm going to do is click on Modify Permissions, and then I'm going to consent to this sites read all and read write all. So we'll go ahead and click Consent. I'll hit Accept, and then we can even consent on behalf of our organization. But I'll just hit accept in this case. And then we'll do it for this one as well. We'll go ahead and run that query. And you can see because this is my sample data, I don't really have anything here. But if you use a real account that's calling into Microsoft 365 from work, for example, then you should see trending items in your workplace here. So that's an example of how we can sign in, how we can modify permissions and give consent to read specific information, and then how we can run a query such as the items trending around me.